Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Sandisk just 9 days ago, to be exact on May the 5th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $1,255. And at this point I told you that this asset was approaching to its major trend reversal, and I didn't know the exact point where should it happen, but I told you that we might retest one-to-one extension at the price points of $1,321, 1.38 extension at roughly $1,500, or even 1.618 extension at $1,600. And guys, take a look right here. I made my previous video right here at this point, and since I made it, as you can see, this asset broke one-to-one extension with the flying colors. It hit exactly to the tick this level of resistance at $1,500, went back, retested one-to-one extension for now as the range of support, went again higher and retest the 1.618 extension level, and for now it is moving to the downside. And guys, this is the evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and on today's video I will show you what is the reason of this movement to the downside, what we should expect next as the price target for this stock, and how you can benefit out of its movements. So let's first of all take a look at the general sentiment related to SNDK stock. And if you type in Google search bar SNDK stock and switch to news tab folder, you will see several recent news. And I want to pay attention to this one. Sandisk Corporation opened down by 5.66% on May 14. What signal does it send? And the key bullets are following. Sandisk stock declined after strong past performance and demand. Next one, analysts express caution on valuation, predicting consolidation or correction. And insider and institutional selling influenced market sentiment and stock price. And here are the risks that are directly related to the company. SNDK faces significant valuation concerns and is vulnerable to profit-taking following a substantial rally, as evidenced by recent analyst downgrades and sell rating issued due to stretched valuations and technical warning signs. There is an emerging regulatory risk stemming from proposals such as South Korea initiative on May 12, 2026, to levy special taxes on AI company profits, which could impact future earnings if adopted in key operational regions. Next one, concerns persist regarding potential increased supply in the NAND flash memory market, driven by competitors' aggressive capital expenditure plans, which could pressure pricing power and compress profit margin for Sandisk. And guys, I have to admit that the most recent catalyst that drove the price to the downside basically overnight, and if you take a look at overnight trading, you can see that this asset lost 1.14% during this session, and for now it is bouncing to the previous level of basically closing price. And the reason of this sell-off is this news. Chip export controls not a major topic in China talks, US Trade Representative Greer tells Bloomberg News. And this article was published just several hours ago. And as you can see, the summary is following. US export controls on chips were not discussed at Beijing meeting. Greer comments suggest a breakthrough on exports of NVIDIA advanced chip far off. US chip controls hinder development of China's AI sector. And guys, you know that Donald Trump, with a lot of C-level executives from the top tier US companies, are visiting China. And they intended to make some contracts with the Chinese companies and with the Chinese government. But for now, I think there is not so many deals happened during this visit. That is why, guys, the price of Sandisk might go lower. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? I have to say that if my assumption is correct and we've completed all waves on this smaller cycle, it is the top of the fifth wave on this scale, and which means this is the top of the fifth wave on a slightly bigger scale, which is basically the end of the cycle. If my assumption is correct, we are at the very top of this cycle, and if so, guys, we have to see the retracement that should unload this structure from April lows of last year to basically previous to just recent all-time highs. And to project these levels, first of all, let me delete this tool. I don't need it anymore. To project these levels, we have to pull Fib retracement tool from the very bottom of the wave 1 to the very top of the wave 5. And here are the key levels. I have to say that 0.236 is not the most powerful level of resistance, level of support. That is why, guys, we might see some kind of consolidation around these levels. Potentially we might see a bounce and then another leg to the downside. And $1,000 might be a psychological number, and it is the crucial number according to Elliott wave theory, and it is the structural level of support and resistance as well. We hit this level right here at the top of the internal third wave, and we hit this level twice and had a bounces right here on April 28th and on May the 1st, which means, guys, the downside movement might be like this. If it is a simple ABC correction, we might see something like this and a retest of $1,000. For now, if you want to enter your long position, it is not the time. We have to see this retracement in the shape of at least simple zigzag, and when it happens, guys, and when it reaches some crucial levels, we might anticipate its next movement to the upside. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you.